This is a 2 BHK home designed by me, and I wanted to share to receive some creative feedbacks, and it took me almost 1 month to develop this design. I wanted to keep the house very well ventilated and exposure to good sunlight, kitchen at the southeastern corner so that we can use solar cooker, and there are many other criterias. I will share one by one. This was the earlier design. This is 1210 square feet plus garage, and I just modified it a bit to increase the room size and to add a balcony. In this design there was balcony in one room only. This is south side, this is east, below is the east, west, south, and this garage is north facing. This was my initial design. I later improved it, modified it to this, and the room size is approx 14 by 12, and this is garage. If you do not need a garage, then you can convert it to another bedroom with a north facing garage, and this is a queen size bed, and this is king size bed. This is 6 by 7 and this is 5 by 7, and these are two side tables. This is one, this is for a wardrobe, and let me rotate the view. This is another wardrobe, and let me show the bathroom. This is bathroom complex. Total two bathroom complexes, 128 square feet, one roughly 65 square feet. So the size is 13 into 9. So if you divide, then 6 into 9 each. Quite spacious, and I have tried to optimize the movement space so that no space is wasted because of movement. When we built our first home, we did many mistakes, and based on those learnings I developed this design. The door is placed accordingly to minimize movement space. This is a room, this is a puja ghar. Let me rotate the view. Puja ghar, this is south facing. This is singhasan. This is singhasan, and these are optional slots kept for ventilation. You can close it even. This part is north part, so this is in the north part, and there is entrance here. Another entrance is from here. This bathroom, this access for this bathroom, this room, and the second bathroom access through here only. You can see the gate, and These are storage, these black slots, these are meant for storage. One, there will be two storage blocks, one will be accessed from this room and another from this. Even you can keep here also. These are storage blocks, and quite big, 128 roughly 125 square feet. And this is another storage block, storage block 1, 2 and 3. So you can keep hold items here. I didn't keep storage block in one balcony. This west facing balcony, if sunlight comes, then that is very hot, particularly southwest sunlight is the hottest in a day. So I wanted to limit the sunlight exposure here, so I kept storage space here. But I didn't keep storage space here because south sunlight is east and south, this sunlight is good, and that is useful in winter time. So I am keeping it like this. So 3 storages. Then the wall, the external wall is kept 1 feet. You can keep 9 inch, 10 inch, whichever. I have kept it 1 feet here. And these are the columns. I have tried to maintain symmetry. Symmetry ensures more strength and it looks beautiful. The bird eye view is quite beautiful. Let me show you. See, quite beautiful. And I have ensured every room gets direct ventilation. This is balcony. There are this is a window, and this bathroom, there is a window here, bathroom window. So I have tried to keep ventilation as max as possible. And this is the staircase. The view will be good, and staircase, and this small block, this is Baithak Khana for guests and visitors, and this is kitchen. Staircase, below the staircase you can keep small storage or utility space for power distribution, main switch, and hardwares like drilling machine, cutter machines, all those things. You can keep everything here. Jhadu, so things can kept here. And I think I have narrated most of the parts. The inner walls are 6-inch walls, the red color code I have given. So I think I narrated almost all the things. Quite big hall. This wall, you can keep TV in this wall, and dining space can be here or just adjacent to the kitchen, in between this staircase and kitchen. You can keep at one side, leave one side for moment to go here and there, and keep another side you can keep dining. Even dining can be avoided if some health conscious people do not use table and chair for their lunch. That is a healthy habit. When we sit on the floor and eat, it gives a good bowel movement during eating, so you can keep dining space here. I've tried to keep the design that is healthy and comfortable equally. Comfort shouldn't come at the cost of health. And energy efficiency, most of the rooms have access to sunlight. Although balcony is there, but you can keep glass windows, or even you can minimize these inner walls to get the more exposure of balcony.